walking down to the gallery. I think I'm going to, because I still have 2 weeks left. I'm thinking, why don't I do some small Metal Mayhem? I have kind of my 10 by 10, which is a good size, but I'm thinking maybe, even smaller might work. All right, wish me luck. Take off here. Let's see here. Oh. Let's just use the clicker. It's way easier, right? Going to the art store, we'll see what we can find here. I'm going to the trusty Blick. I think people are catching on to you can park in the parking lot next door, so pretty soon I have to pay for parking. Oh well, you can never, nothing ever good lasts, right? Alright, I'm at the store. I got these 6 by 12s. I was gonna get the 1.5, but they're out, so there's ones way up here on the ladder, so they're gonna get a ladder for me. I'll just spend like $5 a pop. We're going to use some crazy colors today. My dad gave me these, but they seem to be pretty good colors. So I'm going to get this interactive cadmium orange, primary yellow. This is a crimson. Doesn't really say it on the but titanium white. This is a carbon black. This is a phthalo blue. So we'll see how this color. I might add something else, but we'll see. Alright, so we got the first layer down. Some of these turned out really good. It's almost like, maybe I should just leave them. But I think I'll add some more color. Hopefully I don't screw it up. Wish me luck. Alright, so I finished the paintings. I think I'm pretty well resolved with the result. You know, I kind of really like that really orange and white yellow kind of beginning, but then I needed that really red punchy blue for contrast. And I like, you know, some of these I like really well. The interesting thing is, you know, I took it to my wife and it's like, yeah, I like two of these, other ones I'm not so sure. And she's like, oh, I actually like these other two. So go figure. Everyone has their own taste, right? All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy it. All right, bye. Hey guys, hope you liked my video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. Hope you can come to my show. It's on June 23rd at 4th Street Fine Art, I think 6 to 8. And, you know, there's another artist, Michael Sacramento. He's really good. It's just, you know, it's complimentary to my style. So hope to see you guys there. Thanks for watching.